heads of institutions, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this workshop. Thank you for taking your time to be with us this evening. Over the past decade, the self-financing sector has grown significantly in size and diversity, and is now a vital part of the tertiary education ecosystem in Hong Kong to deliver the missions of providing quality higher education for students and serving community needs. To support research activities in the self-financing degree sector, the Research Grants Council launched 3 competitive research funding schemes in 2013, namely the Faculty Development Scheme, FDS, which intends to develop the research capability of individual academics, the Interinstitutional Development Scheme, IIDS, which is tailor-made for the self-financing degree sector to keep academics abreast of new research developments in relevant fields, and the Institutional Development Scheme, or IDS, which aims to build up the research capability of the self-financing institutions in your strategic areas. We are encouraged by the number of applications for these 3 schemes. In view of the success of the 3 funding schemes, the RGC agreed that the sector is ready to take on the new challenge of collaborative research. The RGC introduced a new collaborative research grant starting from the last exercise. With the introduction of the new collaborative research grant, we received a record high number of 280 applications. The number of successful applications, 75 in total, also broke the record. I hope that the quality of the applications will continue to reach new heights. The call for the 7th round of the exercise has been issued earlier this month. To give you some tips in preparing for the proposals, we have invited a successful applicant in the last exercise, Dr. Din Hong Chi, from the School of Professional Education and Executive Development, the Hong Kong Polytechnic University, to share his experience in preparing an FDS proposal. We are also glad to have Professor Helen Meng, the chairperson of the assessment panel, to share with us the assessment of applications, and the 3 subject conveners of the assessment panel, Professor Chen Ziting, Professor George Huang, and Professor Kenneth Sin, to join the question and answer section. May I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all the speakers of today's workshop for sharing their time and valuable experience with us. I hope you will find this workshop useful in preparing your submission for the year to come. And we expect that lots of interesting proposals from you after you have heard what we are going to say. Thank you very much.